Hi, Vince. This is a short video that shows you how to register for a law.com account and then how to access the New York Law Journal once you're registered. I sent you a link in the email, and I've put that link here. And when you go to the link, you'll just create a new ALM account. Every field with an asterisk is going to require that you enter information. So enter your information there and then click Create an Account. Once you've created an account and you have a username and password, you can then go to law.com. You can do this while you're on campus or while you're off campus. When you're at law.com, click Sign In. Put in the username and password you created. And then once you're logged in, you will be able to get access to any of the ALM materials that we subscribe to. Just hover over Publications, scroll down to New York Law Journal, and you get the current content. You can do the same thing for the National Law Journal or for other publications as well. So here's the National Law Journal content. Please let me know if you have any questions.